In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate profit and loss and balance sheet reports in QuickBooks Online. These two reports give you the clearest picture of how your business is doing. The profit and loss shows your income, costs, and expenses over a selected period so you can see whether you made money. The balance sheet is a snapshot of what you own and what you owe at a point in time. Let's walk through generating both, step by step. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. Once you're in, look for the left-hand navigation and open the Reports section. This is your hub for all standard financial reports, and it's where you'll find both the profit and loss and the balance sheet. In the Reports section, locate the profit and loss report and select it to open. You'll see the report builder at the top. Click the report period control to set the dates you want to review. You can use a preset period like this month or last quarter, or choose custom if you need a specific range. Next, click the From field and select the start date you want to analyze, then click the To field to set the end date. This could be your fiscal year, a quarter, or any custom window you're reviewing. Quick tip, make sure the date range aligns with how you manage your books, and use the same range when you compare to bank statements or prior reports for consistency. Once the period is set, the profit and loss updates to reflect that time frame so you can review your totals and category breakdowns. When you're done reviewing, return to the reports area so we can pull the balance sheet. Find the balance sheet report and open it. Just like before, click the report period control to adjust the dates, then click the From field to choose your start date and the To field for your end date. The balance sheet is most useful as of a particular date, so be sure your to date is the day you want the snapshot, often the end of a month, quarter, or year. If you're comparing movement across time, setting a broader from date can help, but for a single snapshot, the key is that to date. That's it. You've generated both the profit and loss and the balance sheet in QuickBooks Online with the exact dates you need. If numbers look unexpected, double check that both reports use the same period. Keeping your date selections consistent will give you a clean, accurate view of performance and position side by side. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you work through your own reports.